Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for December 23rd, 2020. So today it is slowing day, seems like people head home for holiday. So you see the market, they push it back up and then they go nowhere. As you can see here today, after the market they pull back up yesterday and then they go sideways, and after the breakout and then they push it back up, they hit right into the pivot resistance sell zone area, and then the people slam it down again. So overall the trend is still bullish, but in the short term I don't think the market they going to move much. He try to keep this trend bow here until the new year. So but overall trend is still bullish. So the market they go up, they pull back down, they go up, they pull back down until they be able to get out of this area here for the momentum to shift to the upside. And if you can see that on the E-mini SB 500, so today the market that overnight they pull back to the support, and after that they crawl back up. In the morning they come back, they test the pivot resistance here, they couldn't punch through it, so people slam it down at the last minute, and after hour they found the support and they try to push it back up again. So the market overall is still bullish, but they will go a little bit slow, so with a very low volume. So we don't expect much move from now until the year end. So if you are in our day trading room this morning when the market opened, so the market they push up to the pivot resistance, they punch through it, they hit up to another level of resistance. So our member take a quick trade here for about 8 points, and after that they hit resistance, they slam it down for another 8 points, and after that the market it continued to slowly cross the back up until the last 2 hours, and the market they slam it down to the downside. But when they slam it down to the downside, they go right into the buy zone and people step back in and push it back up again. So overall the market is still bullish, but when they go up and then they pull back and then get some energy and continue to push it back up. So if you look at a lot of stock that we analyze during the weekly market forecast, you see a lot of stock are still moving very well. But today the sector really moving well, that the banking, as you can see, like Bank of America, JB Morgan, okay, Goldman Sachs, with a lot of stimulus money they're going to flow to the market. So that will definitely benefit the bank. So you see the bank in it, they try to push it back up. And a bunch of stock that we look at over the weekend, as you can see here, they are also doing pretty well, like CLNE at the clean energy. Today they shoot up another 10% here. Okay, so yesterday over here, today they hooked up to almost $11, and then they people took the profit. And SGMO, so those stock that also is still very strong. This is a wild stock, they still moving to the upside. And a couple of stock that people are taking some profit, like Workday. Yesterday they go up, so today the people take some profit up. And BLNK, that's another blink charging, they shoot it up, but people take some profit, okay, and people still try hang on to it right now. PANW, so that's another strong cyber security, they put it back and people took some profit also. And a couple of stocks are still doing extremely well, like Zillow, okay, and the end it also very strong to the upside. Okay, so far this week will be a short week, and next week will be another short week. So we decided to take a week off so that we can take some rest, and then we will continue fresh for the new year. So today I take I closed some swing trade for total net profit for today is $6,500. So at the end of the year, and then if you look at the a couple of things here. So on behalf of the family of Stock Navigator, okay, our family wish you love, joy, and healthy today, tomorrow, and always. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and we'll see you fresh on the next year of 2021. Thank you very much for watching, and then we will take care, and we will see you later.